if I write A equal to 10, B equal to 12, C equal to 14, and if I write A greater than B and A greater than C. Now remember here, logical are written like this only as AND. Now what should be the scenario? Is A greater than B? No, it is false. A greater than C, it is also false. So answer should be false. Other answer is false. If I write A less than B and A greater than B, again A less than B is true, but then A greater than B is false. So answer should be false. But if I write A less than B or A greater than B, now it will be true. So it is something like this. So if I write type A greater than B, enter. The class is Boolean. This is another way of storing the data which will store true or false. So it will say what is its type, A greater than B. Okay. So it is returning me the Boolean values. So we have seen it is returning the integer value, it is returning the float value, it is returning the string value, and also it is returning the Boolean value. Fine. So I hope till this point the things are clear. Generally, if we talk of data type, Python has numeric data types, okay, as our numbers. Numeric, as I've told you, integer, float, like that. Then it also has a string as a data type. Python doesn't have character data type. Character is taken as a single character string. Okay, it is taken as single character as a string. Then you also have some few more complex data types in this. We call it as list, tuple, dictionary. They won't be more used for our hardware, but then just as a part of Python, I would like to explain you. Fine. So numeric string we are working today. List, tuple and dictionary will be seeing tomorrow. Fine. Now let's go ahead with, we'll see something which is called as type conversion. But prior to type conversion, if I want to give comment, I can write hash, that is single line comment. Okay. I can give comment in single quotes. I can give comment in double quotes. I can give comment in triple quotes. Anything like that. Only thing is that that string is not to be assigned to any variable. If string is not assigned to any variable, then it is taken as comment because it won't do anything. It can be taken as a comment. Now, here I am writing A equal to 10. It is hash number. So that hash ke baad jo bhi tha, it is taken as a number. B equal to 20. Hash number. Done. Now I'll tell you something called as type conversion functions. Okay, we'll see something which is called as type conversion function. Okay, means it will convert one data type into another data type, or it will give you some different value. So something we have called as hex. Here I am writing 50. See what you got. 0xf, that is hexadecimal value. Then I can write octal. Let's say 8. 8 should be 10. So I'm getting, see capital, this O 0, then O stands for octal. O ke baad X, 0 ke baad X, that is hexadecimal. Fine. Even I can have, let's say ORD, ordinal. What ordinal will give me? If I write ordinal as A, it is giving me 65. That is the ASCII value of A. Ordinal will give me the ASCII value of the variable. ORD, small a, it is 97. ORD, 0. I'm taking it as a character. Fine. So this 0 will be how much? 48. These are the ASCII values. Now, even what I can do, I can convert integer to string. Suppose if I write str 65. Arey, what happened? str 65. So it is giving me 65 only. But the difference is, it is putting in single quotation. It is putting in single quotation. That is, it is converting into STR. Let's say if I write this, see, it is not taking care at all. But if I write CHR, yes, CHR is there. I write 65. It may give character. So CHR will convert your integer ASCII value to character. Ordinal ORD will convert your number to character to its equivalent ASCII value. See, when I write complex 4, 5, it will give me 4 plus 5j. It is like complex number. Python works with complex numbers also. C, C++, Java is not working with complex numbers. Now you have plus, you have minus, you have multiplication, you have division, you have modulus, but you also have the exponent. It is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16 into 4 is 64.